thanks for tuning in. Today I got an unboxing for you of the MacBook Air M4. Hope you guys enjoy. Here's the unboxing. We got the M4 Air baseline configuration with 256 gigabytes, 8-core GPU, 10-core CPU. This is the midnight color. When unboxing it, I did have some lighting up. It made the midnight actually look midnight blue instead of black that you usually see in these videos. I hope you can tell the difference or see the difference. It also comes with a wall plug and a cable to charge your MacBook. Comes with it for now. Hopefully they don't remove that and we have to buy that separately. But as of right now, we still have them. Most lighting, it looks black. This lighting specifically, it has more of a blue tone on it. It looks really pretty in some lighting, but as for me, as you can see back here, it looks a little bit more black. So in extreme lighting conditions, you'll see the undertone of navy blue.